Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how you can create a Google site and affiliate for a clothing brand and make money online as an affiliate. Here, as you can see, you can go to site.google.com. When you open, you will have this kind of window. They have some template, but today we are going to create a new one. So I will click this one and it will take us to our new page. Then this is the image and the title of your website. So for demonstration purpose, I will just put this woman fashions, then I can change the background image, or I can leave it as it is, but to give it an interesting, you can just click here and upload image. So it will take us to our computer, then we can so I might have some pictures on my download. So this one, I download this from Unsplash. So it's a stock image. You can go to Unsplash and you can download anything you want. So we have our header and we have our title. Then we can start building our shop. So the first step is we already make our first page. Then we need to add some product so that we can be able to sell. But before that, we need to be an affiliate for any clothing brand. I'm not, just for disclaimer, I'm not promoting this brand, but I happened to sign up 3 days ago to be an affiliate for this clothing brand. So I'm going to show you what I did when I built my website. So here is a clothing brand. You might be familiar with New Chic. It's a well-known clothing brand company. So here, this is my dashboard. I just become an affiliate for this brand just a few days ago. Oh, so far I am making 30 cents within 3 days. So it is working, that means. So in this dashboard, after you sign up for affiliate market, it's already down here at the bottom of the website. You can be as a blogger or affiliate, make money. When you click this one, it will take you to this page. Then you can fill out some details, then you can be an affiliate for them. So I already signed up, so it just came like this. So I don't need to sign up, but if you are new, it will give you some details so that you can sign. So for me, I can share a product. This is a promotion center. I can share a banner, I can share a coupon, or there is this task hub. Every time you complete a task, you can earn up to 450 USD as you accomplish. So the first task is create a promotional link and get more clicks and get the first effective order. When you get the first effective order, you'll get $6 effective order counts, and this one greater than or equal 30, you'll earn 150. When effective sale amount is past 5,000, you'll get 300 bonus. So these are just the incentive to motivate you to work or to promote their product. So for today, I will show you how you can promote any product or a banner or a coupon. So for today's demonstration, I will just use share product. When you open share product, they will give you high commission rate items, but maybe I don't like to promote this one, so you can just come to all product. You can have a category here. You can select from the category, so all category: men, women, bag, shoes, beauty, and so on, etc. like mom, kids, home, garden, accessories. So you can choose any of these, then you can promote. So I choose just women because the websites that we are trying to create is women fashion wear. So here also you can select any product like dress, tops, outwear and sweatwear, and all this. You can just also view all, and it will give you other options. So for now, maybe we can just click plus size, then we will have some product to promote for plus size. So there is this pants, there is this dress, and this one is on sale, so maybe you can create a campaign for just sale products. This one is also sale, so you can choose any product you like and you can promote. So maybe we can choose this blouse so that we can promote. So to choose a product, you can just click add, and it will give you all the details for this product with you, including your affiliate link to create your display in your website or any other social platform. So I'll click this one. If I click this one, my earning is $1.30. You can be more thinking about this, and you can go to higher commissions, or you can just click this one and pick. Maybe I can choose another one. Also, you can go to the next page. This seems nice since it is summer, and this is white. Maybe we can also, the earning is big, so we can select this one. As you can see, you can select up to 200 products here. Then when you finish the amount of products that you need, you just export the data. It will give you an Excel file. So you can click this one and you can open it. It will open up like this. So this is all the details that you want to build for your website. So this is the name of the product, the image, and the price, sale, and the commission rate that you are getting. This is a promotion link. So we will use all these details, and we will create our first product that goes to in our demo shop. So first I will just click this link and copy, and I will go to my site, the one I started, this one. Here you have inserting options and page, theme. For now it is, I think, in the simple theme, but you can change your own theme. You can add pages, you can insert content, blogs, so many different options. You can do this if you decide to open a website and learn each content what they are doing. Just for our today's demonstration, we are going to use insert options like this one, embed code. It will come like embed code or embed URL. So if you have HTML code, you can use this one, but now since we copied the URL, we just have to paste this one, and it will give us the picture that we see in the website. Then we say insert, but we cannot use this picture as it is because it will take us a lot of space. Even if I minimize it, when we open later on, we will have a lot of negative space. So what I'm going to do is I will just leave it as it is, and what I will do a screenshot of this picture using my computer. Oh, let's cancel because I don't want the blue line to be visible on my picture. So I will just do a screenshot of, oh sorry, so I did the screenshot and I will save it in my computer. So after that I will save it as trace 1 maybe, since I have a lot of trace. Maybe I will do trace new, then I will save it. So I will minimize this one and I will delete this entirely. Then I can add image, insert image, then I will copy the file that we already do screenshot, so it's in my picture, the screenshot. So I will open this one, trace new. This is our file, then we open it, it will place it in our, yay, here it is. Now I can add a text to add the name of the dress. So I can minimize it, and I can add a button also to say buy now or shop now. So I want to say maybe shop now, so I like to write shop now. So here I will go to the Excel file, and I will copy this link, promotion link. So I will copy this one and paste it there. When I finish, copy, and I will go here and paste. Then I will insert it, and it creates, and the name of the dress is already in the file, so I can go back and copy this name. Let's crochet V-neck maxi dress. So copy, and I'll go back and paste the name. As you can see, there is this, all the fonts and the colors go by the theme, so you can change the theme here, or you can change, yeah, you can change the theme, and you can play around as it fits for you. So you'll create so many products like this. When you finish, you just say it, publish, then it will publish. It doesn't have a web address, so we can write woman fashion maybe. Demo. This is woman fashion demo, so I can use this one. So my site is now woman fashion demo. Yay! So we can view our website. Now it is live, and we can go back and add more products and make it. Also, we can make this into visible, so every time we can go back and edit our details. And for example, this one, it will remove the visibility so that it can be clear. And here you can position your pictures like up, down, but I like it in the center so that the model can be seen. So 3 days ago, as I mentioned, I was able to create another site. So the site is this one, so I can show you. I'm already building some pages. This is a home page. So I have some products. So I just learned when you are using the minimizing the pictures, as I showed you earlier, you will have such, when you view the site, you will have open spaces and doesn't look, it's very much wide from the product. So I don't like the look of that. That's why I am taking screenshots so that everything to be together. Like for example, as you can see, the picture is by itself and the call to action or the name of the product is like this. So when I take the screenshot, it dramatically changes the outlook, how it looks like this. So screenshot seems fine for me. So if you like to use a screenshot, you can use. This is a swimwear section of my homepage. So the next step is, after you build your site, it's to spread the news. So there is no other way of spreading the news than Pinterest, because Pinterest is a search engine. There are a lot of traffics coming to Pinterest to buy and to get inspired. So it will give you great traffic. It will be a free traffic source for your affiliate business. So I already create a business account for my affiliate link in Pinterest. I hope you know how to set up a Pinterest account. This is what I created. It's 3 days ago. Now as you can see, it's not even months, but my pins are getting so much impressions. So the more impressions that you get, the more you will be able to make money. So as you can see, this one I created last night, it has 6 impressions, this one has 7 impressions, this one has 15, and this one has 16. So impression is just when people like searching and viewing, they see that your pin. So it's a good thing that it's getting eyeballs. So the more pins that you create, the more traffic you drive, the more money you will make. That is my strategy. So if you are enjoying so far what you are looking, and if you want to learn more as I learn, you can subscribe to my channel and be part of this awesome, wonderful make money online journey. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.